huge update. BlackRock funds, Bitcoin Trust, their iShares Bitcoin Trust has been listed on the DTCC. So they have a ticker and it's going to be IBTC. This is huge news. Banging. Jumping right into the market. Bitcoin 6-hour chart. So just like we talked about, Bitcoin 31,800 is major resistance, and it's right here. Bitcoin had a nice move to the upside. Altcoin saw some green as well. And now there's a lot of hype, even more hype than earlier, for Bitcoin spot ETF launching soon. I've got some ideas about in October where BlackRock could fund their ETF in October. How many days left in this month? Not very many. Bang it. So a run to 36,000. You need a breakout retest at this level. 36,000 is in the cards, possibly 42,000 based on spot ETF hype, right? So a lot of bullish ideas. You go to the Bitcoin 1-hour chart, and like we talked about, this rising, broadening wedge, the price action has been getting rejected. Well, guess what? Now it's pumped through the upper trend line. And again, all the sellers are going to be up in this area. And I'll show you a heat map that gives better ideas in just a second. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my leverage trading group, my spot trading group. Right now in spot trading group, ride the bull run with us. I'm going to do 5 people. I got 5 spots open. I'm going to do $2 a day for a year, right? So cheapest prices ever. Ride the bull run with us. You'll be in the best coins all the way through the entire bull market, period. If you want to join the spot group, cheapest prices ever, all you have to do, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com, and we'll get you set up in the group, period. You've got to be in the right coins. That's all there is to it. And we'll find those for you. There's massive amounts of USDT getting moved to Binance. Here, close to $100 million USDT moved to Binance. Here's $85 million moved to Binance. Here's $500 million moved to Binance. Are they moving the USDT to buy Bitcoin or altcoins? Remember, the Bitcoin dominance takes off, Bitcoin will pump crazy. Bitcoin's going to act like an altcoin. If more, right now, retail is buying based on the spot Bitcoin ETF hype, right? They're buying because they don't want to miss the move. Justin, SEC commissioner, says the agency has not been very good when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto. Really? Serious? We know this. Now, this is Hester Pierce. Remember, she's always been pro-crypto. This is not Gary Gensler. Now, the weekly crypto asset inflows are finally staying positive, right? So you see positive week after week after week. As far as the inflows into the market, digital asset investments saw inflows for the 4th consecutive week, totaling $66 million. Deutsche Bank and SC Ventures completed the first stablecoin swaps on their UDPN. Again, you're going to have a lot of, with these banking institutions, you're going to have a lot of private blockchains because they don't want these public blockchains where everything can be seen and all these moves that are being made. Like, that's not what they're looking for. And so the gentleman on Twitter came out and he said 2 things caught my eye from the iShares BlackRock S1 amendment. So BlackRock pushed out this S1 amendment update, the SEC. They've obtained a QSIP in prep for a launch. So what's a QSIP number? It's a unique 9-digit ID number assigned to equities, debt, other securities, registered bonds in the United States. BlackRock is pushing hard for a spot Bitcoin ETF right now. They may be looking to seed with cash this month, which it's earlier than this gentleman would have thought, but I mean, it could be nothing. However, this document on October blank 2023, the seed capital investor, October blank, right? The statutory underwriter in connection with this purchase, the price of the seed creation baskets determined as described above. Such shares could be sold at different prices. So the idea here is they want to fund or buy their Bitcoin potentially in October. So will we see massive price push higher out of Bitcoin based on BlackRock filling up their reserves for their new Bitcoin trust? Bitcoin 8-hour chart, at the end of the day, it's real simple. Bitcoin has got to break this resistance at 31,800 for much higher prices. Now, this is a heat map, and this is really easy to read. You'll see the bright yellow. There's a bunch of sellers at 30,000, at 31,000, at 32,000. But Bitcoin has just been working higher consistently day after day. Now, here's the huge news. IBTC, iShares Bitcoin Trust, SHS. And so the Bitcoin Trust from iShares, which is BlackRock, they've just been listed on the DTCC, right? So the DTCC, they cleared NASDAQ trades, and now it's been established with the ticker of the BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust is going to be IBTC. This is going to be all part of the process of bringing the ETF to market. So things appear like they're moving forward. This is huge news. Very bullish on Bitcoin. Now, we talked about INJ yesterday. Very strong upside. We're up about 12% just on this breakout. At one point, it was like 15 or 16% just in a day from yesterday. So, obviously subscribe to this channel. I'll give you guys really good setups that we're trading in the group from time to time and help you make as much money as possible. Remember, with Bitcoin dominance, when Bitcoin starts to take off, everybody is going to FOMO. They're not going to be loading up on altcoins. They'll be buying Bitcoin. As soon as any of this spot Bitcoin ETF is even confirmed, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance take off and money is going to flow into Bitcoin and it's going to act like an altcoin. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.